I'm a fan of raised garden beds. I just believe it makes it a lot easier to garden. And typically I make my raised garden beds out of reused items that 90% of the time that I find out of a construction dumpster. That's what I did with this one. These were in just pieces that were used on a fencing that was thrown away in a construction dumpster. Put those together and made a raised garden bed. I used cardboard down at the bottom of the layer first, then landscape paper. Put in the landscape paper around the sides so the dirt will hold in. And this is compost on the first layer, and then I'll actually put in a little potting soil. Always everything is organic. That's super important. If I'm looking for boards, to make sure that they're not pressure treated, they're just pine or cedar or something like that, and sometimes white oak if I'm lucky. And always organic. Super important to start your beds out right.